Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
ज्यादा खतरनाक चीज है कि जब सब लोगों को पता चलता है कि हमारे ऑर्गन्स आई मीन रिकॉन्स्ट्रक्टेड है, दे ऑलवेज टारगेट टू हिट आवर ऑर्गन्स. दिस ऑल हैपेंस. दिस इज द बर्निंग रियलिटी. It's all about the livelihood of trans person. We both are trans person, and because of that, we have no job basically Deepan has no job from last 2 years. He was kicked out from his previous office where he used to work as product manager. So वो लोग जानने के बाद जब उन लोगों को जानना पड़ा कि वो जो जान गए थे कि Deepan exposed himself as a transgender man, they started ill behaving with him. They were showing arrogance. They started bullying him. हमारे लाइवलीहुड के लिए हम सोच रहे थे कि हम वहाँ पे कुछ करेंगे जिससे कि हमारे लाइवलीहुड चल सके और we can give employment to other transgender people who are seeking for the job, who are jobless, जहाँ पे उन लोगों को लिया नहीं जाता है because of their gender identity or sexual orientation. Then he started saying slang to my mom. गंदे गंदे गाली दे रहे थे. And अचानक we noticed all the incident. तब जाके मैं और दीपन दौड़ के गई उसके साथ बात करने के लिए. First, we started very politely. We approached very politely to the guy that what he's actually looking for and why he didn't stop the work after we requested him to stop the work. तब जाके she started saying slang again, some shabby words to us. तब जाके मैं ही बोली थी कि ठीक है, तुम अगर ठीक बात से नहीं मान रहे हो तो now I'll show how to stop the work. Then I started to enter the shop, and that time he pushed me on my breast, both of the breast, and I fall down, and it was just like a terrible hit he did. And after that I again get up and I started entire the room again, and that time he kicked on my genitalia, and I was extremely feeling helpless, and I was having enormous pain. And Deepan दौड़ के आया था मुझे रेस्क्यू करने के लिए, and he just jumped on Deepan. वो मुझे छोड़ के तब दीपन के ऊपर he is just hold the neck of the Deepan. He was just thrashing him against the wall. And Deepan was in a terrible situation. He was in a gasping situation. I was terribly shocked. And that time I said, I will just go to the police station and I'll talk to the police person. I'll bring the police here. And he said कि ओ तुम्हारे जैसे हिजड़ों और चक्कों की बात पुलिस सुनता नहीं है. Actually, I was looking for a lady officer to share my incident that has happened to me, and I was extremely, psychologically, I was so down that time. But they refused to provide me any lady officer. They just said there is no lady officer available that time, but it was not true at all. I saw many lady officers over there. फिर वो लेडी कांस्टेबल ने कहा कि नहीं, दिस इज आउट ऑफ आवर रूल, आपको वो मेल ऑफिसर्स के सामने ही सब कुछ बोलना पड़ेगा. But I was bound to say everything in front of him. I was feeling humiliated. I was feeling extremely tortured psychologically. Then I said, I can't say anymore. I said just I was sexually assaulted by somebody else.
एक्चुअली FIR लॉन्च नहीं किया गया था. हम लोगों को ऐसा बोला गया था, अगर आप लोग हम लोगों को आइन मतलब लॉ सिखाएंगे तो हम लोग आपको ग्रामर सिखा देंगे। मतलब इस तरीके से हम लोगों के साथ ट्रीट किया गया। फिर हम लोग के एक एक्टिविस्ट जो है बाप्पा आदित्य बोल के, उनको हम लोगों ने बताया कि दिस इज हैपन टू विद अस। देन ही टोल्ड अस जस्ट 10 मिनट हमको दे, हम बात करते हैं। बाद में उनके मदद से ये FIR दर्ज हुआ एंड वो जो कल्प्रिट है उसको अरेस्ट किया गया रात 11:30 बजे, और नेक्स्ट डे उसको छोड़ भी दिया गया।
तो वहाँ जाके we faced the another kind of humiliation, जैसे कि लगा कि तो ये लोग there is no difference between them with the culprit, it's all because जब हम गए थे तब वो बोले कि हमारे यहाँ कोई ट्रांसजेंडर यूनिट नहीं है जहाँ आपको हम एग्जाम कर सके। तो मैंने कहा
they refused to give us the treatment. Main thing is that when they know that we are a trans person, they directly told us that there is no transgender unit and all, so there is no facility for transgender people, so we can't give you that much of support, and basically this is a police case, so it is not possible for us. And after that this intervention of another doctor, and this is a senior doctor, they sent to Tista to gynecological department, and there the doctors, the lady doctor is there, 5 lady doctor is there, and they bound her to that is कपड़ा उतारने के लिए in front of male doctor. When Tista refuse किया तो उसके जो प्रेस्क्रिप्शन है वहाँ पर लिख दिया गया because of her ill behave and attitude, they refused to give her the treatment.
Explained everything to them. मैंने जब कहा कि I'm a trans woman and I have undergone gender affirmative procedure last 16 years back, तब भी उन लोगों को समझ में नहीं आया, and they were simultaneously asking me the question, are you pregnant? When you had the periods last time? When you had sex with your partner last time?
Actually, after NALSA judgment, हम लोग सोचे थे कि कुछ तो चेंज आएगा, लेकिन लगता है कि चेंज कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। जो हेट्रेड, ट्रांसफोबिया हम नहीं बोलेंगे कि ये हेट्रेड है, ये वायलेंस है, ये वायलेंस अगेंस्ट ह्यूमैनिटी, तो ये कुछ भी नहीं चेंज हुआ। आया 2019 ट्रांसजेंडर एक्ट भी आ गया, लेकिन एक्चुअली हम लोग का लाइवलीहुड अभी तक वहीं के वहीं रह गया।
It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.